Hello, this is Alex from the Worcester Public Library, back for another one of my weekly videos for tips and tricks on using the library's digital resources. And today I wanted to talk to you about how you can use our online catalog to find books that aren't written in English. We have a really great world language collection, and a lot of people are interested in books that are maybe written in, for instance, Spanish or Russian or what have you. But they might find it kind of difficult to find through the online catalog, and there is a way that you can do it, and I wanted to take you through that right now. So what you can do, and there are a couple ways to do this, and I'll go through both of them. If you start by going to our website, mywpl.org, you can go ahead and click on Account Login right here to get into our online catalog. And then you can either log into your account, or you can just go ahead and click on More Search Options right here. And then what you'll want to do, and you're going to see two little things right here that you want to pay attention to. The first is shelving location, and you'll want to scroll down and you'll want to go to world languages and select that. The reason why is when you're doing the catalog search, sometimes they'll pull up things, for instance, if there are like multiple language tracks for DVDs or things like that. So you'll find a lot of stuff that isn't necessarily what you're looking for. So if you use the shelving location of world language, that'll be a good way to set that up. And then the next thing that you're going to want to do is select the language that you are looking for. We don't have, the same number of books in all these languages. Like, for instance, we don't necessarily have as many in ancient Greek as we would in, say, French. But, let's say, for instance, you're interested in Albanian. You can go ahead and select that. And you can select if you're looking for books, select that. Now, you can either, if you're looking for a specific title or author, you can put it in, or you can just leave it a blank search and then go ahead and hit enter, and we can see what we have right here. And you can see that it looks like we have a number of books written in Albanian in our world language collection. Some fiction, some nonfiction. You can click on any of these titles to go into the record, but if you're interested in picking any of them up, you can just click on place hold to place them on hold. Now, sometimes it is a little bit confusing because, let's say you're looking for Spanish books and you have a book that was written by a Spanish author originally in Spanish, but was translated into, say, German. You would find that book under sort of both Spanish and German, so that's a little bit confusing. But it's definitely a good starting point. The other thing you can do if you're interested in not having to set up this search, like I just did, you can go back to our website, mywpl.org, and then go under Services, the Services tab, and then click on World Languages. And at World Languages, you can actually click on any of these languages right here. Like, for instance, if you're interested in, say, Persian books, click on that right here. And that's going to take you to the catalog and do a search exactly like what I just did with the language that you chose in our World Language collection. So again, this was Alex from the Worcester Public Library. I hope you found this useful. If you're looking for books that weren't written in English, I hope that this was a handy tip for you. And stay tuned next week for another video from me. Thank you for watching.